Hello everyone, today we're going to be changing the master switch on my Volkswagen Golf. I have a Mark 7 2016 Volkswagen Golf. For the driver's side window, the switch is broken, but all the other windows work. It's a little bit loose. Can you see it? So this one won't roll down, but all my other ones do. We're gonna switch this out for this one right here. You can get this for around $50 on Amazon. And we're just gonna take out the door panel and replace this and put this one in there. Let's get to it. Let's remove the door. So there's a little piece right here, and then you insert like a little flathead. Take that off. Little screw there. Little hex screw in there. And there's a hex screw up here. In there. So I believe there's 2 of them. The flathead's actually working fine on there. So we're just gonna use a flathead. Don't want to lose these. We're gonna take this out. This just pops out easily like that. There's also one here, but all you have to do is turn it. Right in there. Little wrench and just twist it. So I'll do that right now. You just turn it to line it up. See how now it's flipped? Now it's lined up with the hole. Watch me just break my car. See how the wire's connected? I'm just gonna disconnect all of them. So pull that little pin here. Comes out like that. There's 5 wires that you have to remove in total. Is it too close? It's a little close. This one's the one for the window switch. That one was easy to take out. You don't want to break these. That would suck. There we go. There's usually like a release on it, like a little clip that you push. Sometimes you can't see it because it's an awkward angle. Oh look, see, like the sticker was covering it. So now we're gonna remove the little cavity that the piece sits in. There's little clips in there you gotta push back so it goes up nicely. There you go.
It's a scary sound.
I know. It is scary hearing those sounds, but that's what car people gotta deal with when you remove shit on your own. There's 6 little clips on the sides. This is the little cavity that holds onto it. Each time I move it, the other side
goes back in.
Yeah, it's very tricky. So what I'm doing is I'm pushing on this side while taking these pins out. Last one. Yeah, look, that's why it's broken, see? See the hole?
Oh, wow.
That's why it wasn't working, because that little broken piece right there, it was puncturing right through the plastic the whole time.
Damn.
So then we get the new piece, put it in here, get all the 6 pins to lock in.
Oh.
There you go. Now we're just gonna connect everything back to the car.
Starting off with these.
Yeah, these ones are the harder ones because they're smaller. So we get the black one in here first. Second one is the brown one. In there.
So satisfying.
Blue one is the third one. Might be different colors for different people, right? They won't go into their spot if they don't fit there, right? This one goes into here. This one is for the master window switches. Slips in there. Before I put it back on, I just want to make sure that it works. Let's go!
Yeah, grease!
Automatic works too. So all of them do work, all of the automatic switches work as well, so you just click it down once and they all fall nicely. And that's how you fix your master window switch. Yeah, honestly, it was pretty easy. I feel like anybody could do it. It's just, I think, taking off the door panel and removing this piece is probably the hardest part. Yeah, anybody could do it. Instead of going to the mechanic and spending hundreds of dollars, you just go to Amazon and get it for $50 and do it yourself. And you can save lots of money in the process. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. Peace. And you can save hundreds of dollars by subscribing to this YouTube channel. Agrees.